it's really hard to envision yourself doing something unless you see someone who looks like you doing it. NSBE is the National Society of Black Engineers. We're an organization that helps elevate Black people and Black STEM students to the higher level, which is we help them with professional workshops, having bonding events. Sometimes we go on trips to companies. We recently just went on a couple. We're all really about Black advancement and just helping Black people succeed in a professional world that wasn't built for them, and having them coexist in places and make them more diverse. And there's a really big push right now for diversity because research has shown that if your team is more diverse, you work harder and you produce better products. So we're all about helping Black people advance and continue to help Blacks advance. As soon as I heard about the National Society of Black Engineers, I knew I had to get involved. And just because I wanted a space for myself and a space where I could feel comfortable, because sitting in 400 people lecture halls where you're one of 4 Black people, it's really hard to make community or find your own space, and that's why NSBE is so great. I feel like my best NSBE moment ever is I was sitting in a meeting. A week earlier, I was working with my mentor on my resume, and I was throwing my interviews out to a couple companies. I was sitting in NSBE. I got an email that said, "Oh, you got a second round interview with Microsoft," and everyone started cheering and erupting and high-fiving. It was just a really, really cool experience because I just felt so supportive, and I was without you guys, I wouldn't have been there, and it was really cool because everyone was just generally super happy for me, and I didn't know what to say. I was just so struck and so filled with joy at that moment, and I was just surrounded by so many great people that it was just life-changing, really. It's hard to describe those emotions, but they were fantastic.